Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make this super easy garlic parmesan baked lobster tail with some baked potato as well. If you're here for this recipe, just keep on watching. And that's my son. If you're here for this recipe, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave me a like if you enjoy this recipe. As usual, I'm sure you're going to love it, so don't forget to give me a like. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. That's my son again. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's begin with this recipe. These are the ingredients you will need to make it. I will leave the measurement below for you guys as usual in the description box. We have a beautiful lobster tail here, nice and clean and deveined. Also, I am using unsalted butter with some garlic cloves that I minced myself. Okay, we need that nice garlic breath. And here we have all the seasoning for the lobster tail. I'm using smoked paprika, Old Bay seasoning, dry parsley with some lemon pepper, or you can use lemon juice to replace the lemon pepper. And here we have one russet potato, and to season my potato I am using dry chive, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. We also have some unsalted butter to add into our potato, and as well as some cheese. I am using mozzarella cheese. Of course, you can use cheddar cheese or any other type of cheese. And of course, you can't forget the sour cream, my favorite, especially when I'm eating a baked potato. First thing I'm going to be doing, make sure your potato is nice and clean. Make sure you scrub it. Okay, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. Make sure it's all over the potato. I forgot to prick my potato with a fork. If you can, please do. I am going to use a foil and just fold it in the foil and bake this. I am going to bake it in the air fryer. You don't have to use an air fryer. You can use an oven, the same temperature, 400 degrees, for about 40 to 45 minutes. I went ahead and checked my potatoes in between while it was baking, just to make sure it was cooked equally on both sides. Now I'm going to carefully use a tongue to remove the potatoes from the air fryer. It's super hot, so be careful. Now we're going to take a knife and just cut it straight down the potato, just so we can remove the flesh of the potatoes. When I tell you this thing is hot, be careful, y'all. So now we're going to use a spoon to remove the flesh of the potato. Now set your potato skin aside because we're going to use it later. So I'm using the cheese. I'm going to pour in the cheese in the potato, and as well as the sour cream, and of course the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier. It is dry chives. You can use fresh chives. I didn't have any. Garlic powder, salt and pepper, and of course some butter. Oh, melted butter. I love me a buttery baked potato, y'all. Wendy's used to have the best. Well, I don't know, maybe because I'm used to eating their baked potato. I just love adding a lot of sour cream and a lot of butter in there. It just tastes so good. You're going to mix everything together as you guys just saw, and then you're going to place it back in the potato skin. Okay, going to place it back and then add some cheese on top. Of course, you can add more if you want, and we're going to bake this again. Now before I bake it, I wanted to bake it at the same time with the lobster. In a hot skillet, I am going to add my butter. Once it is melted, we're going to add our garlic. I like to use fresh garlic when I'm making garlic stuff. especially if the garlic is the main ingredient, not main ingredients, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to add my seasoning, the Old Bay seasoning, smoked paprika, dry parsley, and I forgot what else I added in there. Check the description box for that. Mix it together, add your cheese, and I know this seems a lot. Yes, it is, because I use some of it for some shrimp. Let me know if you guys want to see a recipe for that. So this is it. Looks beautiful, smell beautiful, and tastes delicious. Okay, so now we're going to take that butter and brush it all over the lobster tail. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh yes. It's going to be so good, y'all. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. And make sure you get underneath of the lobster, as you guys can see, because we eat everything. You need both sides to be nice and delicious and saucy and seasoned. Okay, so this is what they look like so far. We're going to place them together back in the air fryer for 6 minutes, especially the lobster. Only took me 6 minutes because mine wasn't, you know, it wasn't a big lobster. It depends. If yours bigger, make sure the internal temperature is around 135 to 140 because you do want to cook this lobster. All right. All right, now we place it back in the air fryer. Like I said, 6 minutes on 400. Once your 6 minutes is over, make sure the internal temperature is around 135 to 140. Y'all see, I had to check. So it is 140. Then we're ready to plate this. I really didn't know how to plate this, y'all. I'm like, let me take it out of the shell, but at the same time, the shell make it look so nice. This right here, y'all, is restaurant quality food. Make this for your hubby, make this for your man, make this for your boyfriend, make this for yourself, because this right here is restaurant quality meal. We're going to pour some more butter on top, or you can use the garlic parmesan butter that you made on top, and there you have it. Garlic parmesan lobster tail with some amazing baked potato. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It was definitely a big fat yay in my book. Let me know down below if you're going to try it. Don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up because this recipe definitely deserves a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join the family. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.